Some people use their vanity storage for like chemicals, cleaners and things. I like to use mine for tools. Nice and clean. You're in.
This is my day to come in and add in all of the extra bits into the space. Just to really help Megan and Joey feel like this is their bathroom and they have everything that they need.
I'm Dave.
And I'm Joey, and we're the Brolaws.
We've been building dream renovations for over a decade. We're also brothers-in-law.
That's right, this guy married my sister. We do any kind of renovation inside and out. We like to bring our personality and sense of fun into everything that we do. Now, with the help of our expert designer, Talita,
We'll be building together.
till death do us part. It was so incredible to have Talita as a part of this whole renovation, because I can only get it so far.
Yeah, I totally don't have the look. I just pick things I like, and then they don't really go together.
So we chose these towels in particular. These are a really thin Turkish cotton towel. And the reason that I went with these is because they're very absorbent, they're beautiful, they're really easy to keep clean, and they just happen to have some really beautiful fringe detail on them as well. Plus, the gray and white is really kind of the theme of the entire space. For the countertop organization, we actually got a set for Megan and a set for Joey. They are exactly the same but in different colors. So Joey's is a really nice and rich deep green. And for Megan, we went with just a really plain white. Not because she's plain, but because we just want to keep things light and pretty on her side and keep it a little bit more masculine for Joe. All right, so thanks to Joey, we have our hooks up. These actually match every other piece of hardware that we have in the bathroom, and they are all from Delta Faucet. And now we get to actually hang these beautiful towels on them. We have the stool next to the tub for a little added functionality, so that when Megan or Joey are having a nice cozy bath, they have some extra towels next to them, bath salts, a little fake plant just to add greenery and life to the space, and a little candle to set the mood. We added the stump inside the shower so that Megan and Joe have just a little extra surface to set things down on. We can have a plant in here, plus the stump just brings in a little bit of warmth and texture into the space. And now we can go ahead and add some things to the shelves. We have a vintage rug here from Casa Alma. And the reason I chose this one is because it's just a beautiful pop of color against all of the gray. It pulls in a little bit of the green that we brought in for Joey's accessories, and just adds a bit of warmth and texture to the space. So although there's no proper way to unroll a mat on the floor, there's definitely a proper way to unroll your toilet paper. And it is always from the top. Just a few more additions and we're ready for the reveal.
Are you ready to see our bathroom?
I'm so ready.
It's been a long journey. Our new bathroom.
It looks like a magazine.
Now, if you've noticed, your feet are nice and warm right out of the gate.
They are. I like that.
Your tub area is now an actual area,
I like it.
not just a tiled mess.
Well, you know, it had like the toilet for a little while.
It did.
Yeah.
It was. It's been a very multifunctional spot.
Nice. I love it. I like the hooks.
Yeah.
I like this little cup of tea there when I'm in a tub.
Exactly.
Great. My favorite thing is the double shower head.
That's a good one.
It's the waterfall shower head, so it just like feels so nice when you're in there.
Then it's no longer a little cave either.
Yes, it's super bright. And I like the new blinds.
Yeah, this thing's pretty sweet.
Awesome.
Goes up and down. You can bring it all the way down, let light in, and then halfway up, so you can have natural light, but people don't, take a little peek into our bathroom.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to go with the double vanity. Before, that vanity was just useless. It was 6.5 feet long with one sink in the middle. So to have our own separate spaces and a ton of storage now is gonna be great.
And I think in Joey's mind, this is going to be great because he doesn't have to put his stuff away. But that's super not true. And I want you all to know I'm saying this right now. So if one day he comes to anyone to tell you, that it's become a point of contention, he was warned.
I think we have a pretty darn good ensuite bathroom.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing now. It's super functional. It looks amazing. I want to be there. And it's warm.
It's true. I'm not a tub person, but I may even find myself in there having a soak.
Probably not, because I don't know that I'm going to let you in there, because you're gross.
We did it.
just like that.
Wrapped up, finished.
Brand new bathroom. Toledo was a huge help on this, being able to have her as a mediator between me and Meg.
Absolutely.
And I think she really killed it as well. It looks absolutely stunning in there.
Your marriage survived it.
Yep.
The room is done. What's next?
I think I'm going to take some time to enjoy that nice shower
That is a good call.
without you.
Yeah, no, it's just
Solo
you.
bro law.